If you want to make $250 playing games, then you've come to the right place. Today we'll show you an app that you can install for completely free and that I found recently that I know you guys will surely love. So stay tuned to find out what the app is and for the bonus I have at the end of the video. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so today we will be going over an app that I've found recently and you will definitely like, as I said in that intro. Now, as far as make money online apps go, this is one of the best ones out there. And once again, as you've seen in that intro, I did make money with the aforementioned app to further improve the absolute legitimacy and that it can actually get you paid. I will also show you many reviews, and as I said, I do have a bonus out for all of you who'll stay until the end of the video. Without further ado, the app in question is Gift Play over at giftplay.io. As I mentioned previously, this app will basically pay you for playing games. You play, we pay. Play free mobile games, make money, earn rewards, and gift cards. Now, there is a bit of downside. I do have to mention as of now that the app is only available for Google Play and not for iOS. But I imagine that will change in the near future. With that said, something that is quite nice about this app and that I love is that you don't have to play a game for a set amount of time and then you get paid. You actually earn money every single minute you spend playing the game. The more time you play, the more money you will obviously earn. As simple as that. And let's face it, playing games is something that all of you watching this love. And it's also a much more fun way to make money compared to surveys, for example, and other methods that are outright boring and long to complete and won't pay you that much at all. Now, if you scroll down here, guys, you'll see that it says, are you looking for the app that pays you while playing games? Introducing Gift Play, the app that allows you to make money and earn gift cards by playing games. No purchase is necessary, no paying to win, so this is absolutely free to use. You don't need to pay for this app at all. Here you can see that you get paid in coins, which you will then redeem for money. They also have another way for you to get paid, which is by referring people. You can either get some of your friends and family to try this game out, or what you can also do is promote in various make money online groups, for example. This will allow you to earn a few bucks here and there possibly, which is nice of course. Now, something very much worth noting is that this app will pay you through PayPal. Redeem your points for PayPal cash out or for a variety of top branded gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, etc. So you can actually choose between gift cards and PayPal, which is awesome, especially since I know that many of you watching this love PayPal. Something else worth noting about this is that there is no small selection of games for you to choose from. This app offers many different games for you to choose from and many different types as well. We have casual, strategy, action, puzzle, adventure, arcade, and many more. You can play any game you want to and collect coins, as I said right here. With that said, as of now, the number of games is limited for people outside Europe and North America, unfortunately. But I do imagine that they will change that soon. Anyhow, if you scroll down on their homepage, you can see how this will actually look on your phone. And it does look amazing in my opinion. And I think you guys will agree too. Now, this shows more than I ever could that this is a 100% legitimate app we're talking about here. As you can see down here, the vast majority of users rated it at 5 stars. So this does work most definitely, and they've paid out thousands of people out there. So go ahead guys and give this a try. You can't lose anything, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now with all of that said and done, as I said in the beginning, I do have a bonus for those of you who want to make even more money. The next platform I'm going to show you can earn you money by doing other things, instead of just playing games as was the case with the first step. The site in question is called iResu.com. This site allows you to make money in different ways. As I said, as you can see up here, you can download apps, watch videos, complete surveys, which as always I wouldn't recommend. But you can complete offers, and last but definitely not the least, you can also play games in order to get paid. Speaking of getting paid, they will also pay you either through cash or gift cards, as you can see right here, and they have paid out over 100 million up to this point. And in case some of you are wondering whether or not this is legit, you can see here that the likes of CNN, Yahoo, the Wall Street Journal, and other huge companies are showcased here, which would be the case if this wasn't legit. Now, how this exactly works is as follows. You can first have to join the website by signing up. You can earn points either by playing games, completing surveys, or whatever. And then you choose your rewards. And as you can see, they also offer Amazon gift cards. But if you want to get paid in cash, PayPal is indeed available too. Now you can read more about iResu here, but I simply won't go over it to not prolong this video. In order to start earning money here, what you need to do is click on join in the upper right corner, and then enter your email address, first and last names, your password, and then click on create account right here. Or alternatively, you can just click on join with Facebook to create an account faster. In case you decided to create an account via email, you will need to come over to your Gmail account, open up a message that looks like this, and just click on activate your iResu account, after which you will finally be able to start making money. Okay, so those are the apps I wanted to share with you today. Now, the one I prefer is the first one. I tried many apps up until this point, and that's arguably one of the best that I've seen, and it also got me paid quite decently. But what I would nevertheless recommend you do is combine both of the apps I showed you today, so not just iResu, not just GiftPlay, but use both of them in order to maximize your earnings and earn as much money as possible. Now with all of that said, this is it for today's video guys. As always, if you liked it and if you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on my future videos, just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.